Okay, it has been a minute since we talked about Near Protocol, and I think the last time that we talked about it, it was actually right around this area, which, if you remember, I was calling for some lower lows to come in, because in this initial move on the upside, starting from the lowest low, I was saying we are having an ABC zigzag, and I remember I went into extreme details to make my case for why I believe this is an ABC structure, which kind of got confirmed when in this move down we took the low of our B leg. And I was saying, even if we are not going to get a move down from here, we can have a move on the upside, but any kind of move up, from my point of view at least, is going to be considered as some sort of a corrective movement, and I want to see a move down in Near Protocol in order to take the lowest low down here about, let's just hide everything, as you can see, $3.1. So what happened? Well, my initial thought was actually wrong, and from this point we didn't get a move down. Instead, we had a move on the upside, and now I can actually tell you that this is an ABC, do not get me wrong, but followed by that we are having another ABC on the downside, and this is an impulse on the upside, which means on a higher degree this was a correction after all, but it was in form of an ABC flat structure. And finally we got our move down, and in this move we have taken this low, and more importantly we actually got a break of this very important support area, which I think it was from weekly and daily time frame at the same time. Now the question is, can I tell you right now we have actually hit our final bottom? Well, yes, but that's not really going to be my primary case. I want to say in Near Protocol we may have some more moves on the downside, but overall I would say around these areas downsides in Near are going to be kind of limited. So if you have done your due diligence about this project and you believe this is a great token, I think these areas overall are going to be a decent buying opportunity. But why do I believe that we may see at least another move on the downside? That's because in terms of classic TA, meaning supports and resistances, right in here, from the point that we got a bounce back, I cannot really identify a whole lot of strong resistances. And I think under it, actually, we are having a very important support area from weekly and daily time frame at the same time, and it is between 1.9 to about $2. And since in this low we haven't actually reached there, I'm gonna say in here we may see another move on the downside, and then I'm hoping that we are going to have a very strong bounce back from here and start the next phase of the bull run. So for now, in the short term, I would argue Near might be a bit bearish, but again, if you believe in this project, I think these areas are indeed good buying opportunities. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Near Protocol. And until the next update, have a wonderful time.